Om Namah Shivaya. Let's start this year's first tech talk with Asus. Asus Zenfone 9 and Asus ROG Phone 6 back panel images are revealed. OnePlus Bud Z2 product page goes live on Indian website of OnePlus. Realme officials confirmed that Realme GT2 series is going to come with Realme UI 3.0 out of the box. Vivo launched its Vivo Y21T in Indonesia. This smartphone has 6.51-inch HD plus IPS LCD standard 60Hz refresh rate display, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, Snapdragon 680 processor, 50 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 8 megapixel front camera, 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt charging, 3.5 audio jack, 2 GB virtual RAM support, Android 11 with Fun Touch OS 12. This smartphone is 8 thick. It weighs 182 grams. It comes in pearl white and midnight blue colors. And this smartphone is launched in a single variant of 6GB 128GB at a price of 30 lakhs 99,000 Indonesian rupiah, that is around rupees 16,000. Ola Electric has started installing hypercharger outlets at Bharat Petroleum stations and residential complexes in India. Ola have plans to install over 4,000 plus charging points through 2022, and they will be free to use for all its customers until the end of June 2022. Samsung Galaxy S22 and Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra renders in each color variant are leaked by 91 Mobiles. Samsung is going to launch its next flagship Exynos 2200 processor on 11th of January 2022. LG is going to introduce OLED EX during CES 2022 along with next generation displays, translucent screens and high-end televisions. This new display will have 30% more brightness while the bezels around the television will be reduced. Asus is going to launch world's most powerful gaming tablet on 4th of January 2022 during CES 2022 virtual event. This tablet will have dual cooling fans, USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer, HDMI ports and 3.5mm audio jack. This is the end of today's Tech Talk session. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family members. Now I will see you all on Wednesday with the next episode of Tech Talks by Bala. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, save water and remember to wear the mask.